Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English, where learning English is fun and easy.
You don't need to fear AI taking your job. You need to fear the person who knows how to use AI taking your job.
Let's break it down.
You don't need to fear AI taking your job.
You don't need to fear AI taking your job. Fear.
Tu n'as pas besoin de craindre que l'IA prenne ton emploi.
Repeat. You don't need to fear. You don't need to fear. AI taking your job. AI taking your job. Usage examples. Need. You need to finish your homework.
Tu dois finir tes devoirs.
I need a cup of coffee in the morning.
J'ai besoin d'une tasse de café le matin.
They need to understand the situation.
Il faut qu'ils comprennent la situation.
She needs to go to the doctor.
Elle a besoin d'aller chez le médecin.
Fear. She fears speaking in public.
Elle craint de parler en public.
We fear that the project will fail.
Nous craignons que le projet échoue.
He fears being judged by others.
Il craint d'être jugé par les autres.
I do not fear trying new things.
Je ne crains pas d'essayer de nouvelles choses.
AI. The future of AI is promising.
L'avenir de l'IA est prometteur.
He is studying the impact of AI on society.
Il étudie l'impact de l'IA sur la société.
AI can help us solve complex problems.
L'IA peut nous aider à résoudre des problèmes complexes.
Take. She is taking cookies from the jar.
Elle prend des biscuits dans le bocal.
I fear he will take my idea and claim it as his own.
Je crains qu'il prenne mon idée et la revendique comme la sienne.
He is taking money from the drawer.
Il prend de l'argent dans le tiroir.
They are taking the documents from my desk.
Ils prennent les documents sur mon bureau.
Job. He lost his job due to the pandemic.
Il a perdu son emploi à cause de la pandémie.
She is looking for a new job.
Elle cherche un nouvel emploi.
The job market is competitive.
Le marché de l'emploi est compétitif.
He got a job offer from a big company.
Il a reçu une offre d'emploi d'une grande entreprise.
You need to fear the person who knows how to use AI taking your job.
You need to fear the person who knows how to use AI taking your job.
Tu dois craindre que la personne qui sait comment utiliser l'IA prenne ton travail.
Repeat. You need to fear. You need to fear. The person who knows how to use AI. The person who knows how to use AI. Taking your job. Taking your job. Usage examples. Fear. I fear losing my job if I make a mistake.
Je crains de perdre mon travail si je fais une erreur.
Do you fear the consequences of your actions?
Est-ce que tu crains les conséquences de tes actes?
They fear that the storm will destroy their house.
Ils craignent que la tempête détruise leur maison.
She fears losing control over the situation.
Elle craint de perdre le contrôle de la situation.
Person. Every person has the right to education.
Chaque personne a le droit à l'éducation.
She is a person of great integrity.
C'est une personne d'une grande intégrité.
She is the kind of person who always helps others.
Elle est le genre de personne qui aide toujours les autres.
Know how to... He knows how to play the piano.
Il sait jouer du piano.
He knows how to fix a car.
Il sait réparer une voiture.
We know how to use this software.
Nous savons utiliser ce logiciel.
He knows how to take care of his plants.
Il sait s'occuper de ses plantes.
Use AI. The company uses AI to improve customer service.
L'entreprise utilise l'IA pour améliorer le service client.
He uses AI in his research.
Il utilise l'IA dans sa recherche.
She uses AI to analyze data.
Elle utilise l'IA pour analyser les données.
The hospital uses AI to diagnose diseases.
L'hôpital utilise l'IA pour diagnostiquer les maladies.
I saw him taking my sandwich from the fridge.
Je l'ai vu prendre mon sandwich dans le réfrigérateur.
She is taking the book from the library without checking it out.
Elle prend le livre à la bibliothèque sans l'emprunter officiellement.
He is taking my seat without asking anyone.
Il est en train de prendre ma place sans demander à personne.
Job. She found a new job in a tech company.
Elle a trouvé un nouvel emploi dans une entreprise technologique.
He is looking for a job in marketing.
Il cherche un emploi dans le marketing.
She quit her job to start her own business.
Elle a quitté son emploi pour créer sa propre entreprise.
He loves his job as a teacher.
Il adore son emploi d'enseignant.
Vocabulary recap. You don't need to fear AI, artificial intelligence. Take. Your job. The person who knows how to use read listen.
You don't need to fear AI taking your job. You need to fear the person who knows how to use AI taking your job.
Do you fear AI? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.